Hello, my name is Chendur Jayavelu. I'm an incoming junior in high school, and today we're going to be looking at question 21 of the April 2021 ACT Math section. So let's get to it. Okay, question number 21. What is the least positive number that has a remainder of 3 when divided by 5 and a remainder of 7 when divided by 9? Pause this video. Once you've sort of figured it out, then press play back again. Okay, so first that's very important to note is what we're necessarily dividing by and what are the remainders. So we're dividing by 5 and we're dividing by 9, and our remainders are going to be 3 and 7. So make sure to note that. So first off, when I look at this, is when you divide by 5, right? When you divide by 5, its multiples end with a 5 or a 0, right? So you have 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on and so forth, right? So it ends with the 5, 0, 5, 0, and it continues going on like that, right? So that means when you divide by 3, so let's say 5, right? So when you divide by 5, 5 divided by 5, you have 1 remainder 0. But if you do, now we do 6 divided by 5, and we get 1 remainder 1, then we can just increase, right? So 1 remainder 2, and then 8 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 3, right? So we have a remainder of 3 when you divide by 5 from 8, right? So and regardless, even if you put an 18 over here, right, this number, the quotient would change. If 5 times 3 is 15, but the remainder would still be 3. So that means one possibility of where you get a remainder of 3 when you divide by 5 is when the last digit ends with an 8. And another possibility is when you have 0, right? When you have 0, when you do 5 divided by 0, you have remainder of 0. And then 1 divided by 5, you have 0 remainder 1. 5 divided by 2, you have 0 remainder 2. And it's 2 divided by 5. And here it's 3 divided by 5, you got 0 remainder 3, right? And we're looking for the remainder of 3 again. So if the last digit also ends with 3, regardless, we've seen this pattern, right? So we can put 13 or 23 or 43 or whatever, and we still have a remainder of 3. So it could the last digit could either be 3 or 8. So all answer choices without 3 or 8 can immediately be canceled. So 24 is gone, 35 is gone, and 45 is gone. Then now we have 43 and 78. Now we can just check these answer choices for the second option. So we divide 43 by 9. Remember, we're dividing by 9, not by 7. It's a common trap to fall for 7 instead of 9 or 3 instead of 5 in terms of like what to divide by. So here we're going to divide by 9. It goes in 5. Sorry, my bad. It goes in 4 times 36, and 43 minus 36 is 7. So C should be the answer, but let's just check E just in case. 78, we divide by 9. It goes in 8 times 72, but you get a remainder of 6. And 6 is not what we need 7. So the answer is C right there. Thank you for listening. I hope you stick around for question number 22. Until next time, I'll see you later. Thank you.